Hey, I'm Christy Hub, and today we're bringing Luma to life.
I'll guide you step by step through cinematic AI animation.
Ready to animate magic? Let's dive in.
Like the one you're seeing on my screen now, I'm working on this project, and you can do this just for free. You can simply create cartoons for kids and adults. Some adults like cartoon like this, especially when it is educational and it's thrilling. So for stuff like this, you can create it for free using Google Flow. You can see it is animated and it's talking. So let's see how to create something attractive like this. You can create it in form of cartoon. You can create it like children singing in the school. Just anyone, any idea you have in mind, you can create it in any way you want it to be. In this video, we'll be using a free tool. Yes, it's free because you get 50 credit daily in creating something like this on Google Flow. You simply go to your Chrome browser and you search for Google Flow. To create something like this, you will need an idea. Take your idea to ChatGPT, to Cloud, and any other research tool that is available to you. But for me, I'm using ChatGPT. So this is simply how to go about it. You can see what I wrote here. I said, I need a 3D picture video of favorite kid cartoon. You can mention the name of the cartoon like Mickey Mouse, Coco Melon. Mention it in your idea when you are typing on ChatGPT. And after getting the idea for your cartoon, so that ChatGPT to give you an image prompt for each of the scenes. Let ChatGPT know the amount of scenes you want, and after which you also ask it for a music video for your video, because these days you need a thrilling video that will be attractive to people. So let's copy our prompt. You open your ChatGPT. Where they have ask anything, below your screen where they have ask anything, you type what you want to tell ChatGPT. So let's send it. This is what they give to us, the visuals and all is there. Okay, after which you tell it to give you the image prompt for all the scenes. So these are the image prompts. After which also tell it to give you the music for the video. A Great Garden Adventure, this is it. Everything just given it to us. Then you copy it to your notepad. You can use Google Doc as a notepad. Or you can use your normal notepad on your phone. Copy it there and save it there. After getting your story from ChatGPT, you start to copy it. So the tool we'll be using is Google Flow. So you simply go to your Chrome browser and search for Google Flow. So this is how it looks like. So the Google Flow look like. So you get it on your Chrome browser or any browser you're using. Just search for Google Flow. Bring your image prompt. You take it to Google Flow and it will open up to you like this on the nano banana icon to get image or video. So I change from video to image. Choose your aspect ratio depending on what you want to create and change it back so you can input your prompt. So when you have the plus icon, I already talked about how to use the Google Flow on our previous video. Kindly go and watch it on our channel or any of our pages on the Christy Space. Thank you. On Google Flow, you have nice images and you have it in different aspect ratio. Let's add your first image as reference to get a consistent character. So let's send it now. Use it. So you can choose from these two it created for us. So after getting your image, You simply tap on the desired image you want, or write it, and you choose animate. Automatically you're changing it to a video. You choose animate, then you add it behind screen. Make sure they're the same and change it to ×1 so you not waste your credit. So for view 3.1 light, we are using 10 credit. But if you want to use other option, you tap here to check what option you want to use. You can use the new Omni Flash. This new Omni Flash uses light credit, and you can use it to create videos up to 10 seconds. But for view 3.1 light, view 3.1 fast, view 3.1 quality, we give you 8 seconds video. So this Omni Flash was introduced recently, and with this Omni Flash, it uses higher credit, like 15 credit per scene or 25 depending on what you want. You change it back. Tap on the nano banana icon again, and let's go and bring in our video prompt. So this is our video prompt. So you input your video prompt. For the dialogue and narration, make sure you put what you want. Me, I'll be using standard English. If you make it accent, after which go through it, make sure it's correct, then you send it for your video to be generated.
Look! Luma is helping flowers share their pollen.
Download your video. You light your video, then you tap on download video, and it will be downloaded to your device. Download again, and you have it on your device. So you have gotten 2 scenes for our video. So if you want to make it long as a full movie, the 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 10 minutes you want, after creating all the scenes you want, you simply take it to CapCut, or you take it to InShot, or you take it to Filmora, or any other video editing app you're using. Just take it there, merge your videos together, add your music, edit all what you need to edit, and you're good to go. You can add your name or your band name as watermark on your video, and you export it to your device, and you're good to go. But I'll try and show you the final end of the video so that you see what I got after editing on CapCut. So this is simply how to create movies: children movie, adult movie, Nollywood movie, Bollywood, all the kind of movie you see on social media. Thank you for watching. See you in the final end of this episode. And if you're still watching this time, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like our videos, encourage us so that we'll be delighted to create more tutorials for other people to learn. Don't forget to share with family and friends, even share with your enemy. Don't forget to give me a nice comment. After creating all your videos for the cartoon animation, you open your video editing app like CapCut, InShot, Filmora, and the likes. So on CapCut, you click on new video. Click on new video to bring in all the videos you created for your cartoon, and make sure you bring it in one after the other. So after picking those things, you just click on add, and it will be added on CapCut for you to edit it. Then you scroll below your screen, you see aspect ratio. Tap on aspect ratio. This is a short story. We choose 9:16 aspect ratio. After choosing it, you increase the volume of all your scenes.
Good morning, Forest.
You can see, you can hear it, and everything. Try to edit all what you want to edit. Add your watermark. I don't want this video to be too long. After editing on CapCut, choose the format you want your video in. Me, I want it to be in 1080p. Set it where when you're done editing on CapCut, adding your music to your story and all, then you click on export and your video will be exported. Well, I hope you learned something on this video. So let me know what you learned in this video on how to create AI cartoon animation. You can start creating yours and grow your social media platform. So don't forget to give us a like, comment, follow or subscribe for more videos like this, and you can ask any question in the comments.
That's it for today. Keep experimenting and keep creating.
Subscribe or follow and join me for more cinematic AI adventures.